We are going to make the drawing of this sample in front of us. Okay, and the dimensions are in millimeters, as you can see in front of you. Without wasting much time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go new there. We go metric, standard millimeters, and then we go create. Okay. So once we're here, we're gonna go on sketch there. I'm gonna start with a rectangle. I'm gonna choose my drawing plane. So there we go. There's my rectangle. And now from here to there, that need to be 20. Okay. And the whole sample need to be 40 millimeters. Okay. Now this one here need to be hundreds. 100. Okay. So once we have this one, we're gonna go with a rectangle. So there is our rectangle. Okay. There we go. And this one here need to be 12. That need to be 12. 1, 2. Again, this need to be 12 as well. 1, 2. Great. And we're gonna have another rectangle. There you go. As well, this need to be 12. 12. Okay. And from here to there, that need to be 40. Great. Okay. So once we have that one, let's just make sure that this one comes back there. Okay, let's make that one 0 to avoid complications when it's not needed. And this one as well needs to be 12. Great. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for another rectangle. Okay, there you go. Okay, and this rectangle needs to be 8 millimeters. So 8 millimeters, and from here to there, that need to be 20. And we're gonna have this axis here coming from there to there. Let's go now for this hole that we're seeing here. That's one there. Let's make it here. Okay, and this one here need to be 16. 1, 6. And from here to there, that need to be 20. There you go. So once we have that one in place, we're gonna finish our sketch. Okay, and now let's go on 3D model. So extrude. We're going to start by extrude these parts. That's one, that by 20. Sorry, by 40. 40. Yeah, 40. Okay, and then we're gonna come back here and say visibility on. Okay, once our drawing is visible again, we're gonna come back there on extrude and click this one. So this one needs to be extruded by 20. There, that need to be 20. Is that 20? No, that need to be 60. 60 and 20 down here. 20 there. Okay, like that. Okay, extrude again. That's one as well by 20. Great. Then we're going to cut this part here. Extrude, we're gonna cut this part here by 8. Okay, by 8 millimeters. There you go. That's correct. The next move now is to have these holes there. Okay, those holes there, these ones. So you're gonna come back here and say revolve. So we're going to select to revolve this side by selecting it, and then against this axis, that axis. So we're gonna cut actually. There you go. Okay, once that's done, we're going to put our visibility off. Then we're gonna draw another hole here, the one that you see there, or that's one, whichever. We're gonna come back here and say new sketch. So here is our circle. There you go. And it needs to be 16 millimeters, so 16. And from here to there, that need to be 20. Okay, great. Then let's cut it. Let's cut it. We select it. Let's just say 50. 50. We cut it. There you go. Okay, great. Now we're going to kill the corners. We're gonna come back here and select that. There you go. Select this one. Select that one. Select that one. Come back here. Select that one. Turn it around. Select this one. Turn it here. Select that one. Select this one. By 20. Great. There you go. Okay. There you go. Now you're gonna kill these corners as well. So here, select that. Okay. Select that one. Turn it around. Select this one as well. This one by 3. 3. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna select the material, whichever material you want. We're gonna go for steel alloy. Let's come back here. Let's come here and say steel alloy. There we go. So it's a pleasure of mine sharing this with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. See you on the next video. So please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Take care. Bye.